أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
I seek refuge with Allah from Satan the outcast.
ولما جاءت رسلنا لوطا سيء بهم وضاق بهم ذرعا وقال هذا يوم عصيب.
And when our envoys came to Lot, he was anxious for them, and concerned for them. He said, "This is a dreadful day."
وجاءه قومه يهرعون إليه ومن قبل كانوا يعملون السيئات قال يا قوم هؤلاء بناتي هن أطهر لكم فاتقوا الله ولا تخزون في ضيفي أليس منكم رجل رشيد.
And his people came rushing towards him. They were in the habit of committing sins. He said, "O my people, these are my daughters, they are pure for you. So fear Allah, and do not embarrass me before my guests. Is there not one reasonable man among you?"
قالوا لقد علمت ما لنا في بناتك من حق وإنك لتعلم ما نريد.
They said, "You know well that we have no right to your daughters, and you know well what we want."
قال لو أن لي بكم قوة أو آوي إلى ركن شديد.
He said, "If only I had the strength to stop you, or could rely on some strong support."
قالوا يا لوط إنا رسل ربك لن يصلوا إليك فأسر بأهلك بقطع من الليل ولا يلتفت منكم أحد إلا امرأتك إنه مصيبها ما أصابهم إن موعدهم الصبح أليس الصبح بقريب.
They said, "O Lot, we are the envoys of your Lord, they will not reach you. So set out with your family during the cover of the night, and let none of you look back, except for your wife. She will be struck by what will strike them. Their appointed time is the morning. Is not the morning near?"